everyone, in this video I will show you how to duplicate a Notion page without syncing. So first open the page you want to duplicate, then click on the three dots at the top right side and choose duplicate. This create a copy. If your page has synced, block or linked database, the duplicate will stay connected, so we need to break down the connection. So open the duplicate page, then you just have to select the content and press Ctrl+C to copy everything. Now create a brand new page, empty page, and here you just have to paste as a plan. Just remove all syncing and links. So now your page is fully separate and won't affect the original. So that's the easiest way to duplicate a Notion page without syncing. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.